Hi, I'm Carmon, and welcome to the Featherweight Shop. Today we are going to be addressing a stuck stop motion knob on your Singer Featherweight. Now, this knob needs to be loosened in order to wind a bobbin, but then you also need to be able to tighten it back down again so that all the components of your featherweight will work so that we can return to sewing. Now, there are two reasons why we may not be able to loosen this. The handwheel washer, that's this little piece here, it may be on the wrong direction, or this knob just may simply be over tightened. But first we're going to address the handwheel washer. I have all the components here off of the machine, and in order to show you what the potential problem is, I first need to show you how this stop motion knob works. When you loosen the stop motion knob, it only loosens so far and then it stops. That is because that little screw right there, that's meant to keep the knob from coming all the way off. Here are all the components put together, but so that you can see what we're working with, I have the hand wheel removed. When we turn the stop motion knob, as if to wind a bobbin, this set screw hits on one of those ears on that washer. Now, because that washer has 3 ears on it, if it's on the wrong direction, 180 degrees in the wrong direction, the screw will prematurely hit one of those ears, which would keep us from loosening this knob. And then we also occasionally see the screw tighten down right on top of one of those ears so that you can't move it at all. So removing this screw will tell us if the washer is the problem. And if we remove that screw and then we're able to turn the knob, we know that the washer was put on incorrectly. And if so, we just need to disassemble the washer and the knob and put it back together correctly. And we have another video tutorial on how to do that. And I'll link it below in the description. But in this case, we've removed the screw and we're still not able to turn the knob. This knob is most likely over tightened, but it's also possible that someone has put sewing machine oil inside here, which over time has just turned to varnish, basically gluing that knob tight. Now, we are going to loosen this stuck knob, but we're going to do it in such a way as to not damage the finish of the machine. You're going to need a set of large channel lock pliers and an old cloth to protect the surface of the knob. So hold the hand wheel with one hand, and then those channel locks will give you leverage to turn the knob counterclockwise. Now it's loose, and there's no reason to over tighten it. Just a little firm pressure is all it needs. Just another little tip from the Featherweight Shop. Have a great day.